Okay, so let me just continue with Israeli military courts and give you some examples of how military law affects a person's life. As I said, we had 1,650 Israeli military orders which govern every aspect of Palestinian civil life. So, belonging to a political party is illegal under Israeli military law. Participating in a demonstration is illegal under military law. Carrying a Palestinian flag is illegal under Israeli military law. Being associated with a political party or organisation is deemed illegal. Let me just give you a couple of examples. Now, all these things are, as I said, are illegal, but how ridiculous it is. Even though membership of any political party is illegal, in 1993 Israel signs the Oslo Accords with the Palestinian Liberation Organization. Now, who is the Palestinian Liberation Organization made up of? It's made up of all the different Palestinian factions, all the different political parties, Fatah, PFLP, etc., etc. So, in theory, the Israelis can go down to the presidential compounds in Ramallah, arrest Mahmoud Abbas, the president of Palestine, bring him to Ofer military court outside Ramallah, and charge him with being a member of an illegal political party. Now, this is just one example of how ridiculous some of these military orders are. I'll give you another example. If, for example, I am working at I'm at maybe a charity event or a function of some sort, some social gathering, and there's a member of maybe Hamas or another political party there, and I'm working there, and I serve him or her a cup of coffee, I can be charged, arrested, and imprisoned by the Israelis for terrorist association. And this, you might think I'm joking. I'm not actually joking. And we have documented cases just like this where people have actually given dates, the fruit at a function like this, and they've been arrested and imprisoned for something like this. I mean, it just makes when you look at military law and the military orders, some of them are just so ridiculous that it's difficult to understand. Okay, so we talked about Israeli military courts, etc., etc. Let me see the detention conditions. So the conditions in the prisons are bad, are terrible. I mean, there's overcrowding. The prisoners are often don't have access to proper hygiene materials, soap, shampoo, etc. The food is of low quantity and quality, and then they're forced to buy from their prison canteen at highly inflated prices, etc., etc. So if you take women, children, men, their conditions of imprisonment are all bad, or are all terrible. And there's not too much of a difference between where for the 12 Palestinian political prisoners that we have at the moment. I mean, the prisons where they are held lack a gender sensitive approach, etc., etc. We've had cases where prison people have given birth or have been pregnant while they've been in prisons. They're brought to a hospital and shackled to a bed. Even in the delivery room, and the shackles are only removed for a few minutes, during pregnancy, and then are shackled again minutes after having the baby, and the babies are then brought back to the prison for the first couple of years or so, where they spend time with their mother. Let me see, what else I want to talk to you about.